Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ito personal reading. But if you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? So, this is for the sign of Virgo. Let's start your reading. For Virgos, please. Check your natal chart, guys. Let's start. Page of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Two of Cups, Three of Wands, Three of Swords. Nakakita tayo dito ng soulmate energy na naman. I mean, I don't know. Some of you, I feel like may person na parang hindi ka kayang i-let go nitong taong to eh. No? Sa ngayon, mas nakikita natin na itong taong to is ang dami niyang question. Kamusta ka na ba? Ano na ba nangyayari sa'yo? Kamusta na ba yung relationship mo? Kamusta na ba buhay mo? I can see a disconnection sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to. And this person is really broken-hearted right now with the Three of Swords. Nasasaktan siya. Alam mo, ito supposed to be hindi ito love reading itong gagawin ko. Pero ang nakuha ko talaga is the energy of the person who is thinking of you. And pwedeng well aware siya sa relationship na meron ka sa iba. Alam niya na you are already committed, you are already in a relationship, pero kamusta ka na ba? Kamusta na ba kayo? Nasasaktan ng taong to. This person wants to offer you something in the future. Or maybe in the past, meron din. Pero in the future, I feel like it has something to do with money or career or something to do para lang magkaroon ng something na sa inyo pa rin. Alam mo yun? The Four of Swords is sobrang wala lang siyang magawa sa ngayon. This person is really broken-hearted. Nasasaktan siya eh. This soulmate person of you is nasasaktan because the Page of Wands is ito yung communication, maybe hindi maganda or walang nangyayari. Or maybe nag-e-expect siya. Actually, hindi naghihintay. Nag-e-expect siya na ikaw yung mag-i-initiate, makikipag-communicate, magko-connect sa kanya. But you're not making any movement. Wala. So, itong taong to, yun na, nandun na yung question niya, nasan ka na ba? Kamusta ka na ba? Ano na ba nangyari? Pero hindi niya maitanong ng direkta sa'yo yun. Since this is love reading, gusto ko namang makuha yung energy mo naman. Sabi ko nga, hindi dapat love reading yung aking gagawin. Pero, love reading yung lumalabas. Pero okay. Kunin natin yung main energy ng person. I mean, yung ikaw. Wait lang guys, kasi may problema ang aking stand. Ano naman yung main energy mo? King of Arrows is here. Nine of Bows. Six of Swords is here. Six of Stones. Six of Bows. Ayan. I feel like nahihirapan kang sa ngayon patunayan ang sarili mo. Like, other people ay parang pinapatunayan nila or pinaparamdam nila sa'yo na parang yung direksyon nila yung tama or kung ano yung mga sinasabi nila yung tama. Para sa'yo, I feel like with the Ten of Bows, you have a lot of responsibility, obligasyon. You want to get to this top energy. Like, pwedeng gusto mong mag-level up or gusto mong maging successful. Pero other people are telling you, hindi yan yung tamang way sa success. Hindi yan yung tamang way para makaangat ka. Hindi yan yung tamang way na, parang ganun. Maybe it has something to do with career. Or, kasi alam mo, with the King of Arrows, tinatry mong gawin yung way mo para ma-achieve yung success. Like, you have your own way on achieving this success. More on career din ang nakikita ko sa'yo actually. Kaya nga, yung first thought nung reading or nung tarot, naramdaman ko na more on career yung pinagfo-focusan mo ngayon. Naramdaman ko na hindi love reading yung dapat kong gawin. But then, bigla lang lumabas itong person na ito, na siya yung nauna kong nakuhang energy. And, hindi naman dapat siya yung kukunin ko. I don't know, maybe there's a message here. So, alamin natin mamaya. Ngayon, maraming challenges sa'yo. Like, you are, with the Six of Bows, you are like the fire here. Like, you're on fire. Kung makikita mo, ayan yung mga bows. This could be the people. Or makikita mo, there's bows in here. Na lahat sila nakatingin sa fire. And you are the fire. You are like, pwede masama ang tingin nila sa'yo. Or parang, tingin nila ikaw yung nakakagulo or what. That's the kind of energy na nakukuha natin sa'yo. But, you do respect them. Nakukuha natin. Nararespeto mo itong mga taong ito. But, yun nga, you have your own ways kung paano gawin or puntahan yung success na alam mo. For some of you, gusto mong maging belong sa group. Okay? With the Six of Stones, it's like the energy of advice for you na hindi mo kailangan hingiin yung approval, yung attention, or yung, hindi mo kailangan i-explain ang sarili mo sa kanila. You don't need to prove them anything. You don't need to show them itong ideas mo, skills mo, etc. You don't need to show them. You don't need them na maniwala sa'yo sa kung ano yung alam mo, kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan sa kanila yon. Kasi ipipilit nila ng ipipilit yung kanila. Okay? Nagigets mo? It's like they are surrounded by people around them. Or pwedeng tulong-tulong itong mga taong ito na sinasabi nila, hindi, ito ang tama, ito ang ganyan. So, you have your own way, you have your own path. medyo mas mahirap lang yung dadaanan mo or dinaanan mo na. Mahirap lang. Pero may sarili kang direksyon. Diba? Nagigets mo. Pagdating sa love, punta tayo dito. Why is this person thinking of you? Bakit kanya iniisip? Bakit kanya iniisip? Bakit anong gusto niya? Page of Cups is here. Gusto mo lumabas na to. Six of Pentacles is here. Seven of Cups. Page of Cups. And this Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Tower. I'm feeling like iniisip ko nitong taong ito because there's a tower moment sa inyong dalawa. So, may ending na nangyayari. Or may nag-end na sa inyo. This person with the Page of Cups is I'm seeing a conversation between ikaw and someone na bata, like maybe a child. I don't know if it's a video or what, but I can see a conversation, pag-uusap, na in that pag-uusap na yon, itong taong to, nakamasid siya doon, nakatingin siya doon. So maybe this person is watching you, na kahit malayo siya, pinapanood niya or tinitignan ka niya yung conversation mo with this people or kung sino itong mga nakakabata sa'yo. I don't know if you are this person na nagko-comment ka sa mga mas bata sa'yo and then may sagutan doon or may pag-uusap. Basta nanonood siya or nakatingin siya. I think this is through social media. Or maybe you do have a video na may kausap kang bata and then pinapanood nitong taong yon. Or ikaw ito na yun nga, may mga comments ka lang, may kinomentan ka na picture, and then yung may mga nagre-reply sa'yo doon na maybe mas bata sa'yo. May gano'n, binabasa or tinitignan ito ng taong ito. This person is really interested sa mga ginagawa mo. Nakamasid lang siya. So, maaaring kaya kanya naiisip kasi it feels like yun yung gusto ko, ganyan yung gusto ko. Parang ganun yung energy na nakukuha natin sa kanya. Ganyan yung gusto ko na tao, na future. Like this person still wants you in his or her future. Okay. For some of you, this person needs help. Kailangan niya ng tulong. So, kunin pa natin yung sa emotions. I want to clarify the emotions. Hindi masyadong nabigyan ng sagot kung ano yung emosyon ng tao na ito for you. The Hermit is here, the Eight of Swords. That's why, ayaw niya sabihin. I feel like never niya sinabi. That's the energy. Never niya sinabi yung kung ano man yung intentions niya, the emotions niya for you. With the Queen of Wands, madaldal siya or may communication in the past. Pwedeng naging advisor or someone na parang mature and mapapagkatiwalaan naman siya in the past. But regarding sa emotions niya, never niya sinabi. If this is your reading, sinabi niya sa'yo minsan na mahal kita, ganyan, etc. This is not for you. Kasi ang energy is that never niyang sinabi ang emosyon niya sa'yo. Tell me the real emotions here, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. For the sign of Virgo. The real emotions is the Ten of Swords. This person is nasasaktan. Bakit siya nasasaktan? The Page of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Page of Pentacles, please. Okay, nasasaktan siya kasi feeling niya hindi mo na nga siya pinapansin. With the Devil. I feel like nasasaktan siya kasi feeling niya na-trap siya or hindi siya makaalis sa isang sitwasyon. Like, this is like a forever situation. I don't know if there's marriage na involved dito sa connection na ito, pero yun yung feeling, parang nakulong na ako sa bagay na hindi ko naman gusto, hindi ko naman ginusto. Parang I need to let go. Parang decision might be niya in the past na hindi niya ginusto, nagsisisi siya. Nasasaktan siya kasi gusto niya mag-offer sa'yo pero parang wala kang pakialam sa offers niya or wala kang pakialam sa kanya at all. So, tell me more. I mean, this person loves you. Alam niya yun. Lumalayo siya sa'yo. Pero alam niya sarili niyang mahal ka niya. The Ace of Cups and the Seven of Swords is here. Gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo yung totoo sa totoo lang. Gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Pero natatakot siya sa mga challenges, karma, or maybe ito yung nauuna sa kanya. Yung pag-iisip ng Nine of Swords, which is problema sa connection ninyo. But, nandun yung kagustuhan na gusto niya sabihin. Pero mas nauuna yung umiiwas siya, lumalayo siya kasi masakit na hindi ako sure kung kakayanin ko yung mga challenges sa atin or mga magiging challenges sa atin. So, tell me about kung tayo sa side mo. Tell me about the Six of Stones, Ten of Bows, and the Great Bear. Page of Stones, this is Lynx, the Mirror. I mean, pagdating dito sa mga kausap mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, the energy is that kung ano yung energy na pinapakita mo, yun din yung energy na pinapakita. I mean, it's like a mirror. It's like you looking at the mirror. Kung galit ka, mataas ang boses mo. Tapos, yung mga tao na kausap mo, mataas na rin ang boses nila. Parang feeling mo galit na rin sila. Kasi ganun din ang tingin nila sa'yo. Like maybe you're not seeing yourself sa kung ano yung may pinapakita mo or yung dating mo sa kanila. Pero yun yung nakikita nila sa'yo. Kaya yun din yung ibinabato nila sa'yo. Okay? Kasi minsan ganun eh. Hindi mo namamalayan pag galit ka na magsalita. And then, the people around you, they see you as galit ka na. So, ang tendency, ang sagot nila is pasigaw na rin or galit na rin because that is how they view you and that is the reply na isinasagot nila sa'yo. Page of Stones is here. Yeah, I can see a lot of immaturity. Medyo nakakakuha tayo dito ng medyo hindi professional na kind of energy. So, What is the advice here? Three of Vessels is here. Knight of Stones, Horse. You need to focus on, I feel like it's something to do with pagta-travel. You need to focus on happiness. Joy is here. Maybe reconciliation. Maybe friends. Mag-focus ka na lang doon. I mean, kung sa usaping professional, ilabas mo na muna yung professional na bagay. Okay? Work is work. Friends is walang kinalaman sa work. Kung friends or happiness lang dapat tayo ngayon, happy lang. Huwag nang haluan ng work or what. Because hindi siya magtutugma. Okay, yun yung nakikita natin. Seven of Bowls is here. Yeah, you have to clear yourself from these people. Makikita mo ito kanina. It's like the fire. Tapos, lahat nakamasid sa'yo, nakapalibot sa'yo, and they all wants to tell you na ikaw ay mali, etc. etc. Pagdating sa career, this is the advice for you. The advice is, ilayo mo yon, lumayo ka. Okay? Huwag mo nang pilitin sa kanila. Actually, you are angat sa kanila na hindi nila namamalayan kasi pare-pareho sila ng pag-iisip eh. Pero angat ka sa kanila. Okay? Kaya ka pinagtutulungan kasi pare-pareho sila ng pag-iisip. Pero angat ka sa kanila. You know better. And I can see them talking about you. So, hayaan mo na lang yun. Huwag mo na lang pansinin. Lumayo ka na lang. In reality, ikaw ang kailangan nila eh. In reality, ikaw ang kailangan nila. Hindi lang nila napapansin yun. Hindi lang nila nahahalata yun. And you don't need to prove them. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan sa kanila na ikaw yung kailangan nila. Okay? Takot nga sila sa'yo. What will happen in the near future for you? I will not take this. Actually, napakaraming lumabas na cards. The Wheel is here. The World 3. Balance. Page of Vessels is at the bottom of the deck. I can see malaking pagbabago with the World 3. With the World 3, the Wheel, and Balance. Malaking pagbabago. I feel like may bagay na nag-end in the past na muling mababalik or magiging maayos. And I don't know if it has something to do with this, with the Three of Vessels. So maybe friends, family related matter. Pero may malaking pagbabago regarding dito sa bagay na to. May mga bagay na nasira or natapos na mababalik ulit. Magiging medyo naging mahirap lang yung lakbayin, or some of you, ang daming naging pasikot-sikot bago mangyari ito. Yung isa sa inyo ay pwedeng naligaw sa hindi magandang landas, pero nakikita natin na magkakaroon ng reconciliation and malaking pagbabago in the future. You do have your Two of Vessels. This is regarding love. Three of bows and full. This is the King of Vessels. Clarify the King of Vessels, please. Clarified by the Six of Vessels. I can see reunion, reconciliation with someone. Alam mo, hindi lang isa yung mare-reconcile sa'yo. Not only friends, families, pero pagdating sa love, there's reconciliation din eh. Someone in the past, maybe an older person, here with the King of Vessels, ang babalik sa'yo. And I can see reunion sa inyo nitong taong ito. Makikita natin sa reunion na yon na may attraction pa rin sa isa't isa. And hindi siya nawala. Kung ano man yung, sabi ko nga, pwedeng nag-end, pwedeng mabuo ulit. I feel like it has something to do with emotions sa inyong dalawa. So, maaaring minsan siyang nasira or feeling nyo na wala na, natapos na. Pero nandun pa pala. I can see choices in the near future. Pero, ang maganda dito yung choice or yung pipiliin is kung ano talaga yung makakapagpasaya sa connection ninyo. Seven of Vessels is here. May pagbabalik tayo nakikita pero may masasaktan. Tell me about this. Ten of Arrows. Yeah, instructions. I feel like this is the people na parang mafe-feel niya na parang wala na siyang silbi. Yeah, Three of Arrows. This is jealousy. This is heartbroken kind of energy with the woodward. Ito yung person na nakikita natin na sasaktan. This is also an older person, maybe someone mature. Pero nandun yung parang feeling na parang may pumalit or may kayang pumalit sa akin. So this is jealousy. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.